Noah, where are you? You promised you'd be here by 6. It's already 8:17. He's probably planning another surprise. An unknown number? Hello? Am I speaking with Emma Brooks? My name is Sophia Reed. Noah asked me to call you. Could you come over as soon as you can? Noah, please be okay. Noah, I was so worried about you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, for what?
I've been hiding something from you.
Daddy! Are you the lady Daddy cries about?
Who are you? Who is she?
Daddy, why is she crying?
Emma, please, let me explain.
Explain what? We're supposed to get married. So tell me, who is she?
Who is she?
5 years. Was everything a lie?
No, nothing between us was a lie. Because...
Who is outside? What are you hiding from me? Why is everyone acting like I'm the only one who doesn't know what's happening? Why are you stopping me?
Please don't.
Whoever is outside, they're the reason you've been lying to me.
I never wanted you to find out like this.
Then tell me the truth. Who is outside? What's this?
Don't open it.
Now you're afraid of a letter? Can't be true. Tell me I'm wrong.
Emma.
Tell me that picture means nothing.
I can't.
Who is she? You promised we'd never keep secrets.
I wanted to protect you.
By lying to me? By lying to me?
Emma, don't open it.
Why are you scared?
Emma, don't open it!
Why won't you let me see what's inside?
Because once you do, nothing will ever be the same.